Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm really happy to announce that I finally launched my website where you guys can actually hire me to consult you on any of your paint jobs. Now this is super cool because you guys can actually hire me and we'll do a one-on-one Zoom or Google Meets and I can walk you through the process, do everything you need to do, and it's really cool to be able to do this with you guys, and I hope you guys want to use this. I hope this is going to be good for you, and all you have to do, go to my website and check out the listings. So when you go to my website, which is paintlikeapro with J.Lulo.com, so I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. And all you have to do is go to the website. So what you do is you go to the website and you can go from anywhere on some of the pages. There's multiple pages that you can go to the website on and use the link that takes you where you can schedule a one-on-one with me. So the one-on-ones are gonna be 40 minutes long. Once you set up the booking, I'm gonna send you a link to the Zoom and we're gonna be able to talk face to face, and I walk you through any other process that you have any problems with or anything that you want to know, anything that has to do with car painting or the auto body industry. You can schedule a one-on-one with me and we'll be good to go. So let's get into the website real quick before I can walk you through it. I just want to show you how you can book it. So when you come into the website, it comes into the main page and it says Expert Automotive Consulting. That's me. So you can actually, from the first page that you go to, when you hit the link, it's gonna show you a get started button right on the top of the page. You can hit that get started button and it'll take you straight to the link that takes you to where you can schedule the one-on-one with me. So the get started button is gonna take you to a place called TidyCal. It's just a scheduling website that I have that's linked to my main web page, so that you guys can schedule it through that page. This is just my main website where you guys can see what my services are, but the link is going to take you to TidyCal, which is basically just a scheduling website that'll tell me who's scheduling, what time they're scheduling, and the person that I need to send the link to so that I can do the one-on-one with you. So let's get into it. Here we go. This is my website, and you hit the get started button. It takes you straight to the scheduling area where you'll be able to see what days I'm available and also what times I have available. So it's as simple as that. So let's jump into one of the sessions that I might have. Let's take a look at this real quick and I'm just gonna show you. So like right here, you see the times available. You hit whatever time you want to book a session. You give me your name, your email, the run-of-the-mill stuff. Give me an idea of what it is, the job that you're gonna do. Just tell me what are you gonna be doing, what kind of tools do you have available to do the job. And there's two different kinds of payments that you're gonna be able to make. You can either use PayPal or Stripe, which is Stripe is just basically like a PayPal, but instead of just taking one form of payment, it basically takes all credit card payments. The Stripe part is what you're gonna wanna use if you're gonna use your credit card, like regular credit cards. If you want to use PayPal, you can use PayPal. That's available. So all forms of payments are available. It's very easy to schedule with me, and that's it. So I hope that you guys are excited about this. I hope that you guys take advantage of this situation and I'm able to help you guys. Remember, if there's not a scheduling time here that works for you, contact me through my email and let me know what works for you and I'll see if I can fit it in. But yeah, I'm loving this, guys. I hope you guys are excited. I hope that I can help you guys, and I hope that you guys use this service now that I'm available for you. So instead of messaging me now, you guys can actually hire me, which is pretty cool. And I hope that it works for you guys, and I hope that I am able to help you guys as much as possible and guide you through any painting process that you need and anything that you guys need to do that has to do with mostly painting, but I also gonna help you guys with other auto body things that you might need help with. So I'm here for you guys. Hire me, I'm here. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and I hope to see you guys eventually on one of the Zooms or the Google Meets that we can FaceTime. See you guys. Peace. Bye.